Hello, my name's Alan. I'm with All About Stocks. How are y'all doing today? Stock market's was getting beaten down pretty good, but waking up this morning, stock market's recovering. Should be hopefully a good day. But as we've known, it's gone up, turned around, gone down. So it's going to be interesting with Jerome Powell talking today. So let's take it one day at a time and see how it turns around. Now, let's talk about the Fed decision. I don't think that Jerome Powell is going to come out and say, hey, we're going to do 2-3 rate hikes per Fed meeting. I think that would just devastate the market. It's very possible that he could come out and say, hey, we're going to do one per, a quarter rate hike per Fed meeting. And if you think about that, that's what a full 1 point this year. And that's also with tapering. So yes, that's going to put a little strain on the market. But if you think about it, we've already priced that in. Now that's what this whole dip has been, or this 20% has been about. So hopefully after today we're going to see it. I won't say a bounce, but maybe a bounce, but we're going to start seeing a little bit of price stability. Now, something you can do is go into consumer defensives. That'd be something like Walmart, Walmart or anything that sells that you're going to have to buy either way. So let's see here. So I pulled up some consumer defensives here: Target, Walmart, Tractor Supply, Coca-Cola. Basically, it's just food, just everyday things that people need to buy. Tattoo shop, Denny's. It's people go out, pay money for things they use every day. Now, I know that people are interested in healthcare stocks and how compounding interest work. I'll go ahead and make a video about that here in a minute. But I really wanted to go over today why I wasn't thinking that the Fed's going to crash the market. I really think that there's going to be a good bounce after today, especially with Microsoft reporting good earnings. I think that Apple is going to report good earnings. So just be on the lookout for that. So have a good day and trade smart, and leave a comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.